the best option for quality sleep and a good time in bed. 10,000 lift tests conducted. One test is defined as a complete lift with a full load applied. Normally, the lifespan is nearly 10 years. Longevity is the mark of an excellent product. A carrying capacity of 600 pounds, equivalent to 3 adult males of normal weight. The perfect angle for sleeping that simulates the weightlessness of space. If you have trouble sleeping due to back pain, sleep apnea, acid reflux, or stress, this angle allows you to find comfort to live the dream every night. This angle is the best angle for leg pressure relief, whether you are pregnant, elderly, or have just finished exercising. Relieve leg swelling and lower back pain during pregnancy, and restore yourself to optimal physical condition. Take your bedroom to the next level. Whether you're reading, watching TV, or just relaxing in bed, you're in control of your perfect position. Fits most mattresses. Simple adjustable bed legs that allow for height variation. Compatible with most bed frames and suitable for couples. Simple installation, no tools necessary. Quick installation in just 3 steps. Step 1. Leg installation. Note, the middle 2 legs are installed in a separate location. Step 2. Wiring. A. Connect the motor and power adapter. B. Connect the motor and manual control. Step 3. Turn the bed over and install the retainer bar. Protect the mattress from shifting.